Uncompromising strength, advanced hybrid efficiency, and massive hauling capability define the modern full-size truck segment. The 2027 Toyota Tundra arrives to defend its reputation, combining a highly sophisticated powertrain with rugged utility and an incredibly spacious cabin. Hello and welcome to CB Auto News. Today we are taking a comprehensive first look at the 2027 Toyota Tundra, an imposing pickup engineered for serious towing, cross-country travel, and demanding job sites. Let's start with the exterior. Beginning at the front, the 2027 Tundra commands immediate attention with its crisp, square front geometry and an enormous oval grille that communicates maximum hauling confidence. Swept-back LED headlights and upgraded grille-mounted LED light bars ensure exceptional visibility, while the chunky lower front bumper and available rigid fog lights emphasize its rugged truck DNA. A prominent hood design and wide stance give the Tundra a muscular, planted look, ready for heavy-duty tasks. Moving to the rear, the design prioritizes absolute functionality. The Tundra features a durable composite bed available in either a 5.5-foot or 6.5-foot length on hybrid models. Chunky rear bumpers integrate seamlessly with the wide tailgate, providing easy access to the cargo box. Vertical taillight clusters frame the rear, completing a clean, purposeful aesthetic that prioritizes utility over unnecessary flash. Viewed from the side, the Tundra displays a massive, imposing profile. Large fender flares house heavy-duty alloy wheels, while strong shoulder lines stretch across the massive crew cab proportions. The new Trailhunter package enhances the side profile with aggressive Michelin LTX trail tires, bronze-colored wheels, and an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension that visibly increases ground clearance for demanding terrain. Step inside, and you will find an interior that balances premium materials with rugged truck practicality. The dashboard is flat and expansive, featuring stocky, easy-to-use air vents and tactile knobs. A massive, standard 14.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system anchors the center stack, featuring the newest Toyota audio multimedia system with AT&T 5G connectivity and a responsive voice assistant. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, alongside a massive center console built for substantial storage. For premium comfort, top-tier models like the Capstone feature genuine American walnut veneer. Flexibility is excellent, with the crew cab easily accommodating adult passengers or substantial secure cargo when the rear seats are folded. Safety and technology are comprehensively integrated. Every 2027 Tundra comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, featuring pre-collision systems with pedestrian detection, full-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Crucially for truck buyers, blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert and automatic trailer detection are standard across all hybrid models, making towing large loads significantly safer. Now let's talk about performance. The sophisticated iForce Max hybrid system combines a twin-turbo V6 with an electric motor to generate a massive 445 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Crucially, maximum torque arrives at a low 2400 RPM for immediate pulling power. Power is managed by a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. When properly equipped in the limited trim with rear-wheel drive, this hybrid system enables a formidable towing capacity of 11,660 pounds. Underneath, a modern coil spring rear suspension provides excellent unladen ride quality without sacrificing heavy payload capability. Starting from an estimated $44,000, the 2027 Toyota Tundra delivers an exceptional blend of hybrid torque, massive interior space, and legendary durability. So what do you think? Can the 2027 Toyota Tundra's advanced hybrid power and new Trailhunter package beat heavyweights like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest truck reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.